over the last 4.5 years, we've scaled Gravitate Accounting. But one of the things we've always struggled on is to have someone we can lean on who supports Gravitate Accounting with these corporate finance transactions. Someone who has the same ethos and the same like core values as we do. So what we're proposing now is we've found that right person for us, but we know that there's accounting practices out there who are going to need that same support. So the small to medium-sized accountancy practice who don't have an in-house corporate finance department, we can now go to them and say, look, we've got someone who can support you.
And we know, how important, because we like to think we look after our clients. So we know that's an important element for other clients and other accountants. So, we know what the limitations are. We're there to provide support to the accountants where they don't have that specialist advice in the right way. They're your clients, you've got the relationship. We're just there to support them on that business journey so that ultimately your client benefits in the long term.
Yeah, and I think from like myself, you can end up, when it's not something you do day in, day out, you can end up trying to help with this piece of work, and it can end up ruining your reputation a little bit.
Absolutely, it's focusing on what you know, isn't it? And that's the benefit. I've spent a long period of time now doing a specialism, and that's the whole point, isn't it? You develop that specialism and bring it in-house. So yeah, again, the focus for accountants should be, not every accountant can support a corporate finance division. We understand that, but we also understand the relationships are key. The relationship with your client is with you. We're there to help support in the bits that we need to, and that's it.
Yeah, and I think from say scaling Gravitate Accounting, and I know it's you certainly don't need someone full time all the time up until where we are now. So I think how we'll be able to offer it to other accountants, or we can offer on a transaction deal level, whereby we support them just on that transaction. If there's ad hoc pieces of work, we can work on an hourly rate, just so it's really flexible and works around them.
Absolutely.
And I'd say the last thing, when we're doing this to support our corporate finance department, we're not looking to take clients off people. The sole aim is, we know this is a service other accountants need. We'll happily sign agreements with them to say, look, this is a part of the deal they want us to work on, and we'll support them as much as they need for that transaction.
Absolutely.